In a remote Himalayan village, elders claim that the secret to eternal youth is hidden in their daily rituals, leaving scientists both baffled and intrigued. Villagers, who regularly surpass the century mark with the vitality of those decades younger, credit their longevity to a mysterious herb found only in the surrounding mountains. Researchers have flocked to this isolated community, eager to unlock the biological mysteries behind their seemingly ageless existence. The villagers' unique blend of ancient herbal teas and meditative practices are believed to interact in ways modern science is just beginning to understand. Could this be nature's hidden fountain of youth? As more scientists delve into the villagers' lifestyle, the global community waits with bated breath, hoping for a breakthrough that could redefine aging for us all.